Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Victory be unto Sri Sai, the wish-fulfilling tree and the ocean of knowledge, who gives us self-realization. O Sai, create in us reverence for your stories. Let the readers and audience devour them with the same relish with which the chatak bird drinks the water from the clouds and becomes happy. While listening to your stories, let them and their families get all the true and pious emotions. Let their bodies perspire, let their eyes be full of tears, let their breath be steady, let their mind be composed, let their hair stand on end, let them cry, swab and quiver, let their hostilities vanish. When these things happen, that is a sign of the grace of the Guru dawning upon them. When these emotions grow in you, the Guru is most pleased and will certainly lead you onto the path of self-realization. Therefore, the best way is to surrender completely and wholeheartedly to Sai. Sai says, when your faith in me becomes stronger, impossible things will become possible. That's why I always say, have faith and patience, Shraddha and Saburi. In today's video, we will be going through the story of Vittal Vision and Gita Rahasya. One day, while Kaka Sahib Dikshit was in meditation after his morning bath in his vada at Shirdi, he saw a vision of Vittal. When he went to see Baba afterwards, Baba asked him, "Did Vittal Patil come? Did you not see him? He is very elusive. Hold him fast, otherwise he will give you the slip and run away." Then at noon, a certain Havakar came there with 20 or 25 pictures of Vittal of Pandrapur for sale. Mr. Dikshit was surprised to see that the form of Vittal he saw in his meditation exactly tallied with that in the picture, and he was also reminded of Baba's words. He therefore bought one picture most willingly and kept it in his shrine for worship. Gita Rahasya. Baba always loved those who studied Brahma Vidya, metaphysics, and encouraged them. To give an instance, once Bapu Sahib Jog received a post parcel. It contained a copy of Gita Rahasya by Lokmanya Tilak. Taking it under his armpit, he came to the masjid and prostrated before Baba. When the parcel fell at Baba's feet, Baba inquired what it was. It was opened then and there, and the book was placed in Baba's hand. He turned some pages here and there for a few minutes and took out a rupee from his pocket, placed it on the book and handed the same with the rupee to Jog and said to him, "Read this completely and you will be benefited." Bow to Sri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, do comment, share, like. Thank you.